Hey guys, welcome to Awesome. Let's get up for some amazing videos today. So if you wanna fly high, you better not be high. Because this gentleman is going to detach from tandem parachute. This is one of the things that go horribly wrong until things turn for alright in the last second.
Yeah, shot.
Okay, so if you are going to ask your mother to remove the bug from your hand, you better close your mouth.
But it's just a
Oh yeah, this is literally the definition of freedom. Insane fucking view and satisfaction level 100. Whenever an idiot gets behind the wheel, shit gets funny. Because when a Karen levels up, she becomes a Barb. You never underestimate the power of tortoise because he is going to interrupt a hunting leopard. Oh wow. The awesome majesty and incredibly cool aspect of nature. Is she the coolest grandma on earth? I want this grandma on my team. So this is inexclusively satisfying. Putting a spinning gyroscope in a box. Wow.
Grandma, did you know that if you put salt on top of ketchup, it makes it warm? Some salt. Yo, that's crazy. Try it out. Put your hand, you feel it?
Okay, so me and my secret playing Jenga. This really is a Jenga master. Being stupid is not as funny as it looks. Mind your feet on an escalator, darling. Okay, so this is what I imagine having a toddler is like. I'm not going to have babies.
Look at how angry he is. What did I do to you? I asked you to go outside. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Go outside.
So, let's take you to a realm of stoppingness. Because maybe. Wow, nature is beautiful, but science makes that exceptional. Bioluminescent kayak tour in Florida. This is something to watch. Thank you so much for watching these amazing videos. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.